equal to positive 5 and negative 5. So you have W plus 1 equals 5.
Okay, so when you have the absolute value of 2c minus 1 equals 5, we has two answers because inside can be a positive 5 or inside can be a negative 5. So I'm going to take what's inside the absolute value. I don't change that. I'm going to set it equal to a positive 5. Then I'm going to take what's inside the absolute value and I'm going to set it equal to a negative 5. Always. You always are going to set up two equations. Then I'm going to add 1 to both sides because I'm going to just solve it like I normally would. These cancel out. I'm left with 2c equals 6. Divide by 2. C equals 3. Add 1 to both sides. 2c equals negative 4, because negative 5 plus 1 is negative 4. Divide by 2. C equals negative 2. And those are my two answers. Always. You want to do another one? Okay, so now we have an m plus 7 equals 3. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take m plus 7, what's inside the absolute value, and set that equal to positive 3, because that can equal positive 3. Or I'm going to take what's inside the absolute value, and I'm going to set it equal to a negative 3, because the absolute value of negative 3 is 3. The absolute value of 3 is 3. So it's the same thing. It's just you can have different numbers. So on this one, I'm going to subtract 7 from both sides. And I'm left with m equals negative 4, because 3 minus 7 is negative 4. I'm going to subtract 7 from both sides on this one. And I'm going to be left with m equals, well, negative 3 minus 7 is negative 10. So negative 4 plus 7 is 3. Negative 10 plus 7 is negative 3. They both work. So those are your answers.